Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all feeling? How y'all doing today? Hey, today we are gonna do some wig play, y'all. All these are super cheap wigs, under $20. I have been missing my old short hair, y'all. If you didn't know, I used to rock short hair for years. A little throwback Thursday on whatever day of the week it is for y'all. But yeah, it's time to play. I'm ready, so let's do this. So the first wig we have is from samsbeauty.com. Actually, all these wigs are from samsbeauty.com. But this one is the DUBY wig by OUTRE in the Sassy cut DBLU. Let's check it out. Oh, if you're new here, welcome to the tribe, girl. Hey, girl. Hey. But you're not officially a tribe member unless you hit subscribe. So hit subscribe if you like what you see. And let's make it official, boo-boo. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, so of course when you first put on a wig, it just looks horrible and you feel like, what the hell did I do? But we gonna fix her up. We gonna see if she can be saved. Not saved, but you know, shaped and molded to fit my head. Side note, I do not have a very big head, which is why I usually struggle with shorter style wigs actually looking natural, and especially because I wore my hair short for years, it's like I'm always comparing it to that. So I decided to take this razor comb, shape it around my ears, cut that hair off, and see how we can kind of mold it. This hair is very short in the bang area, so I definitely don't need to touch any of that. But y'all, the best part about these wigs is that they're all human hair, y'all. Because I don't really deal with the synthetic hair too tough, you know. But I was able to use my flat iron to mold and shape it, which is huge for me. Like, I'm just not a big believer in synthetic hair. So the fact that it's human means that I can revive it and put it through the ringer. Maybe I'll be believing synthetic hair one day, but y'all, for now, nah boy. So what y'all think? Woo! But honestly, after molding it, shaping it around my ear, and taking a little bit off the back around my neck, girl, I was actually really feeling this. Daniel loved this one because he loves my hair short, and he was just like, that's the one you need to wear. So I'm feeling it, y'all. I'm feeling it with the fancy lip, honey. Okay, what y'all think? You guys put your votes in. This is wig number 1. Next up, we've got another DUBY wig, but this time, y'all, it's a 613, which means we going blonde, honey. Real blonde. Now, keep in mind, the first thing I noticed about this wig, even though it's supposed to be exactly the same as the DBLU color, is that the blonde has a lot more hair, and it actually doesn't fit as tight as the other ones. So if you do have a larger head and you're kind of worried, this one's definitely for you. I also noticed that this wig does have a bit of shedding, whereas the DBLU had no shedding at all. But I mean, it is a wig under 20 bucks in a 613, so it has probably been processed to the max. But what I love about this wig is the base color to work with. It's very, very light. So I'm gonna go in with the Wella T18, and I'm gonna tone this bad boy. But we're gonna do like a separate video dedicated just to this wig because I actually really like it and I want to make it work. But for now, we're just gonna shape up around the ears, around the sides, and let's like mold and shape it even within this color, guys. So this is wig number 2. Cast your votes below. Next up, we've got another DUBY wig. You guessed it. Okay, but this one I swear is different. It's a bowl cut and it's in number 30. Guys, this wig was so hard for me to get used to because all I kept seeing was Stuart from Mad TV. Thumbs up if you used to watch Mad TV. Like, tell me I'm not old, but y'all, it was hard. Even after I adjusted it and started shaping it and cutting it, it was like, am I seeing something I like? So I will say I was happy though with like, all I had to do was like do a little tuck around the ear and the wig had a really cute shape. I think I was just more so struggling with the color. It was like, a part of me really liked the color, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think this color suits me? Do you think it looks good? Like, I'm so on the fence with it because I was kind of liking with the red lip, but then I figured, you know what? Let's change up the lip. Let's try something maybe a little more pinky, a little more nude, and see how that goes. And then I was like, yeah, no, I don't know. Now that when I'm watching it back on camera, I was like, actually, it's not that bad. But I wasn't feeling comfortable entirely in it. But you know what? This doesn't actually look as bad as I felt like it did at the moment. Last but not least, I'd said, you know what? Let's try a brown lip and see if we can revive this joint. And this was the brown lip. This was what I pretty much felt the most comfortable in, I think. Let me know what you guys think. If you are feeling this ginger number 30 wig, which lip color do you think was the best? And if you're not feeling it, then don't worry, y'all. Keep it to yourself, but no, I'm joking. Cast your votes below. And last but not least, we have this Milky Way SAGA wig called Misty Rose in T27. This one's got a little long piece on one side, which I thought for sure I was going to cut off. It's blonde again, but it's got darker roots, and obviously compared to the other blonde one, it's much warmer and a bit darker. So with this one, I'm not sure if I want to add a color on top of it, like add a red or something like that, so I can make a cute red one. Maybe blue, like a bright blue, green. What color should I make this, or should I just leave it? Comment below. So for me, this wig was really disconnected. The cut, it was like really short in the back, and then all of a sudden it got longer, so I had to go in with the razor comb and kind of blend that out, just because I'm like picky about that kind of stuff. So I just did that, touched it up a little. This one was really good around the ears and around the back. I didn't have to cut too much off. I just kind of shaped it a little bit just to fit my ears personally, and took a little bit off the back. But I was actually feeling this a lot more than I thought I would. I'm still not 100% on the little tail, if I should kind of leave that corner. I definitely did cut it down just a little bit as well. But guys, what color should I make this wig? Please tell me. Even though it's kind of really yellowy, I'm actually not mad at it. Like, I don't know. Y'all know I'm indecisive, so help me choose. Alright guys, comment below and let me know which wig was your favorite and which one you are going to try. If you haven't already, honey, let me know. Alright guys, that is all for today. Thank you for tuning in and hanging out with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, as well as turn on those post notifications so that you know when I upload a video. Oh, a little voiceover syncing, guys. Let me know. We feeling that? I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whisper that she don't drink, set the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me a thing.